Hey, it's Jennifer with Directly Jen. Thank you so much for ordering your Hugh and Grace holiday trifold brochures with Directly Jen. I'm going to show you in this video how to upload your files to your Vistaprint account so that you get the best possible outcome for your print project. So I'm already in my Vistaprint and I'm going to go to Postcards and Print Advertising and click on Brochures. And then I'm going to select my fold, which is going to be a trifold. My unfolded size, which is going to be 9 by 16. And then you can go ahead and order whatever quantity. Now remember, because there are going to be 2 per page, you're going to cut those when you get them at home from Vistaprint. You are actually getting 50 for the cost of 25 here. So we're going to go ahead and upload our files. And we're going to upload our outside. And we're going to upload our outside file, holiday. And we're going to use our PDF files, if I haven't said that already. All right, so there's our outside file. Then we're going to click over here and upload our inside file, basically do the exact thing with our inside. There we go. That's what happens when you live out in the middle of nowhere, when you've got Starlink internet and a lot of trees. So just bear with me and we will get this uploaded in a second, hopefully. Here we go. And there it is. It's all on there. So as you can see, there's 2 per design. So you can go ahead and you can change your name. So you just rename it if you want. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and you can click on preview if you want, just to see, make sure it's all good. But as you can tell, I have already done that. As far as I always upload everything to make sure everything looks good. And then you're just going to if you want, you can download your proof. You don't have to. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on next. I reviewed and approve, continue. And then it's going to add it to your cart. It might ask you your paper stock, so you can decide if you want glossy or matte. And then just go ahead and add it to your cart. They usually ask if you want a bunch of extra stuff, but you can just go ahead and go to your cart. And I always like to tell everybody, make sure you use Rakuten. So if you have it already in your Chrome browser, if not, go to Rakuten.com, and there's also a link in the email that I send you with your files. So because you can actually get cash back, and that's what I always do. So. And you can do it on lots of other things too when you're shopping online. So that is how you upload your files to Vistaprint for your holiday brochure.